everyone, it's Tiffany. Welcome back to my channel. I am panning across this table of goodies. There are so many Minecraft replicas that the Noble Collection sent to me for free. Thank you so much. From illuminated potion bottle to illuminated ore, even the collectible replica of the diamond sword, and this beautiful chess set, the torch, an inventory chest, like the whole set. So let's get started. Don't forget to like this video and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. You can buy all of these products now in anticipation of the new Minecraft movie that's coming out soon. You can get them on Amazon, barnesandnoble.com, and thenoblecollection.com. I'll put the retail information in my description and in the comments below. You could also find more info on my website at playliverepeat.com. Let's just dig in and get right into it. First, let's check out the Minecraft inventory chest collection. This is series 1 of the biome discovery. So we have caves, forests, plains, and the end. And this is just an incredible way to display your fandom of the Minecraft inventory chest. Like if you are a real Minecraft fan, you know exactly what. So here is the iron axe. And next is the oak log. Next is the compass. I love the three-dimensional aspect of this. It looks so cool, and it just really feels like I'm holding something in real life from the game. It's incredible. And finally, the red tulip. Now you could store everything back inside it if you want to, or you can actually piece them together, which I think is a really cool way to display everything. They are removable, making just like this experience just even more cooler. You could store them back in your chest or display them. Now let's check out the caves. So here we have the diamond, so cool. We have a bucket of axolotl, the iron pickaxe, and the TNT. Now let's check out the plains. Here's the golden axe, again, removable. Have the iron ingot, torch, which we have another replica. I'm going to show you that in a moment. The grass block, like this is like the beginning and end of all Minecraft. Can't get it out. I'll just leave it. But again, you can just display it, stack it up any way you want. And finally, let's open up the end. Ooh, so we have the Eye of Ender. So cool. Dragon's Breath. It's the End Stone. And finally, the Diamond Sword. So incredible. I absolutely love this collection and just how you can display your love of Minecraft in your home. Such a great gift for any fan of Minecraft. It doesn't have to just be displayed either. You can play with these as well. If your child wanted to pretend play and become part of the Minecraft world in real life, totally can do that. I absolutely love the quality of these inventory chests. They are the perfect gift for any Minecraft collector and game player. Let's move on to the Minecraft potion bottle. This is actually a color change display piece. It's an illuminating collectible replica, perfect addition for your Minecraft collector's collection. This illuminating potion bottle is $39 and it does come with batteries. So it's a really great gift. Oh my gosh, I absolutely love this so much. This is so cool. You could switch between colors just by tapping anywhere on the bottle. This is night vision. This is the potion of healing. This is the potion of fire resistance, potion of poison, and the potion of regeneration. This is amazing. I absolutely love this. Such great quality and just so super cool. When the batteries run out, because these are factory batteries, you're going to need 3 AAA. Let's open up the redstone ore. This is an illuminating collectible replica of the ore. So these gems are going to glow, and they sent 2 of them. They sent the redstone and the diamond ore. Now both of these retail for $35 each. They are 4 inches in height, and they are actually the perfect size for any space in your home. So if you wanted to put them on a bookshelf, pretty much anywhere, they will fit beautifully. So these do come with 3 AAA batteries, so you will need a screwdriver to install them once the batteries go out, but they are also touchstone activated once you turn them on. And there are actually 2 modes. There's animated mode, and there's just a steady mode flashing to give it that like orb feel, if you will. And again, these are really, really cool, and I absolutely love like how they light up. So cool. Like, definitely a great, great, great gift for any fan of Minecraft. And just for reference, the potion does stay on until you manually turn it off on the bottom or when you touch to it. It has not gone off yet. Let's move on to the illuminating torch. Inside this little craft envelope is like a couple of mollies and flathead screws. So it's really, really nice that you have these little pieces so you can actually attach it to your wall. I absolutely love that they included that. And a lot of companies don't normally do that. So make sure when you're unboxing your own illuminated torch that you look for this little craft paper envelope to help hang up your torch if you wanted to do that. They even have detailed instructions on how to drill it, mark it, drill it, and use the molly. That is super cool. In order to turn it on, just fold down this area right here. This is where you're going to hang it to, and I love that it's curved like this for the wall. So, so, so cool. Now I turn it on, and it really does flicker like a flame. Like, imagine having like 6 of these in your house. And it is touch activated. You just got to touch this part. And after 15 minutes, it will stop animating. It will stop glowing. So you don't have to worry about wasting the batteries or constantly turning it on and off again. If you wanted it to stay on, you just touch activate it and it will glow. And like I said, you can stand it up to display it. You could lie it down to display it, or you could hang it up. Next, let's check out the Minecraft chess set. We'll just take a quick look at this and I'll show you the pieces. I do not know how to play chess. I did a long time ago, but I don't know anymore. So let me just unbox it for you so you can see what you're getting. Now, I'm all about packaging, and this is beautifully packaged. This is a gorgeous, gorgeous box. It's absolutely stunning. Really, really, really great quality. So they really just like, you get so much bang for your buck with these products from the Noble Collection. Wow. Unbelievable. Wow, 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 wow. Incredible. This is the game board. Love this square chessboard. It's 18 inches. It has faux wood grain on the sides. It's incredible. The detail is unbelievable. You do have to assemble it. There's 4 interlocking pieces, but this is just so stunning. Wow. I don't think these can get any cooler, but if they lit up too, that would be pretty sick. It comes with a full set of instructions showing you how to set up your boards. If you're familiar with chess, it's the same chess placement. They even have the symbols on there, so you could easily place them on the chessboard. And here is the beautiful chess set up. The 4 quadrants, they slide together and they are locked into place with these Minecraft like clasp pieces. These are incredible. So you get the chess set and you get all of the chess pieces. They are absolutely stunning. So, so, so cool. It makes me want to learn to play chess, and I would definitely be using this board to do it. It's absolutely stunning. This is a wonderful, wonderful gift, and it retails for $69. And this is something that you could play with and display, multiple purpose, and will help increase your logic skills, in addition to making your display case look really super cool. Let me just rotate this so you can get a better look. So beautiful. Absolutely love this. Really, really, really do. So, so wonderful. Such a great quality piece as well. Really, really great quality products made so well and just such a useful, wonderful gift. And last but not least, I'm going to unbox the Minecraft Diamond Sword Collector Replica that could be hung up on your wall for display or displayed on your shelf with this beautiful display stand. On the back of the box, it gives you the wall mount instructions, and it also shows you the stand for your horizontal display. Now the little craft envelope is in the bottom of the insert of the packaging. This includes mollies and the flathead screws, so you're able to mount it to your wall. But let's just take a look at this gorgeous, gorgeous diamond sword. This is so cool and such a great gift for any fan of Minecraft, especially if they're going to see the movie. Like, this is super cool. This stand can be placed on a shelf on your desk, or you can hang it. It has the holes in there so you can bracket it to the wall. So in order to hang it up, you would just mount it like this, and everything just like kind of sticks together, which is so amazing. And then you can hang it up vertically. Or another cool part is displaying it like this, where it kind of just like locks into place and you can display it. This is just so cool. I absolutely love the diamond sword replica. This actually retails for $69. It measures 20 inches long and it's by 10 inches wide. So it has a nice solid framing. So it's a really nice just replica piece, and it feels so real, so cool. I mean, I wouldn't recommend you allow your kids to like have a fight with it because it is just like a display piece, but this is amazing, amazing. And then pairing it with all of the other cool products that I showed you today, like the potion, the torch, the ore, the inventory chests, and this beautiful chest set. There are so many things to love and collect from the Minecraft and Noble collection. Perfect opportunity to help build those collections up and bring the world of Minecraft in real life into your home. So cool. I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope it helped you. If you're looking for any of these products, you can find them on thenoblecollection.com, on Amazon, and at Barnes & Noble. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and I hope you have a wonderful day. And I hope you can add a lot of these products to your collection. Let me know if you're going to be adding any to your collection in the comments below. And if you're going to see the new Minecraft movie, because if you do, you're going to be prepared, especially with this beautiful, beautiful collection of products. Thank you so much for the Noble Collection. Again, this was incredible. Love it so much. Thank you for watching, guys. Have a great day.